This is Tuck with Tuck GC. We just finished up a beautiful project in McLean, Virginia, where we did a concrete driveway. We also did a Teco block border and some cross sections. This was a Victorian onyx black paver. Came out quite nicely. Now let me talk a little bit about this project over here where there's nothing. So VDOT within the last year or so just decided they weren't going to approve second entrance aprons, like a double apron at a property anymore. So this client actually built this addition 2 years ago under advisement of Fairfax County, VDOT, his architect, everybody involved. They said because you'd be disturbing over 2,500 square feet if you did the driveway now, to wait 2 years and put in the apron at that point. So he waited 2 years on the dot, called me, we went to submit the paperwork, and then VDOT just decided we're not going to approve those anymore, even though 2 years before they said they would. I've installed a lot of aprons, second entrances in Virginia, and for some reason Fairfax County just won't let us. So we literally spent a year here trying to get this permit without ever getting a clear answer from them why or why not they wouldn't offer it until the very end, and then we decided just to move on. So the only option that we had was to tie in to the other apron over there. So bad news, if you're in Fairfax County, you're not going to get a second entrance or a circular driveway or anything like that. They just won't allow it anymore. Now back to our beautiful project that we did here under the circumstances. Client is very happy. Did this awesome paver here. Looks great. Really broke up all this concrete since it's a big area. Beautiful broom finish. You can see it looks really good. Over here in the corner, it was all fill dirt from the construction, so we actually dug down to burying soil, put in a footer system here and here along all the buildup, and that's going to be solid and last forever. I'll walk down this way to the apron. We just reset the client's current walkway. I did give him a bid to redo this, so maybe someday we'll be coming back here to redo that section and leading to the street. And you can see it ties in nicely with the other apron. They got two entrances, so the client will just drive around the cul-de-sac the wrong way and then just come straight in. So it actually works out quite nicely for them. I hope you like what you see. If you want to dress up your concrete driveway with some borders, we have the capability to do that, and it really just sets the project off nicely. You can imagine if this was all concrete, it wouldn't look nearly as pretty as having these border sections and separation pieces. Thanks for watching. Give us a call for any of your concrete or stonework needs.